Hello friends, welcome to this video. My name is Sasi Kumar Singh. In this video, I am going to answer those people who raise doubts about the Forever Living companies. And they say that this company is fake and the products of this company are not effective. And they also claim that this company is just interested in making profit and not concerned about the welfare of the people. So I thought about making this video to answer these type of questions which are there in the minds of the people, so that the image of this uh, company, about which this company is boasting of, that they in any case they will not compromise the image of this company, and so that the company has been striving to maintain a very clean image of this company and its products. So the concerns raised by the people are just misplaced, and it is just rumors. There is nothing. There is no fact into it. So it is as per the company's claim. So I request all those people who have such notions in their mind to go through the policy of the company. It is there on the website foreverliving.com. If you go through, give some time and go through the policy and business plan of the company, then you will be able to understand that there is uh, uh, nothing to say that this company is trying to misguide the people by just making profit, and it doesn't have any plan to stop the company in India and just uh, get away from here by earning a lot of money and just trying to deceive the people. Uh, there is not a iota of such misinformation if you go through the profile and the business plan of this company. So I want to stress that uh, all those people who have such doubts should go through the profile of the company, and you will find that this company started way back in 1978, and it has presence in more than 160 countries today. Its products are widely uh, used by the people. It is a wellness industry, and it produces health and beauty products which are manufactured uh, by well thought out strategy, and a lot of effort is put into research and planning of producing valuable and genuine products which help the people to mm, make their health prosper, and also invite the people to join this company as a forever business owner, so that they will be able to uh, get job also, employment. They will be able to get employment also at the same time. So the business plan and policy is such that whoever wants to join this company, there is a free registration for everyone. You don't have to pay a single paisa. If you want to buy products, you can return the products if they are not good, and in a month, if it is returned in the month, in a month, then you don't have to pay anything. Whatever money you have paid, it will be returned to you. And if you go through the business plan, it is full of benefits that if you study well and try to understand, then you'll find that it is a beautiful plan, and if followed in proper way according to the policy of the company, then there has to be some results, and people can achieve the sales level, they can make a team and grow their business faster. There are other welfare policies. Those policies are working, and many people after joining have achieved and been able to get the benefits by working hard. So those people who are thinking that it is a fake company, they should not do so. And if they have doubts, they should read themselves and educate themselves about this company. So I appeal to all of you, if you have any concerns like that, and if you are thinking that this company is fake, then please contact with me and I will be able to solve all your problems. So if you want to contact with me, I have a my WhatsApp number written in the description box, and there are some links through which you will be able to know different streams of making money. And if you are interested to join this company, then there is a free joining process, and you can use my ID as a sponsor. You can use my ID to buy products of this company. So that's what I thought I should share with you in this video, and see you later with other video. Till then,